A Tesla Cybertruck explodes near Trump Tower. The FBI follows a man for days. A secret email sent through Proton Mail exposes a plan to ignite war with China. The media stays silent. The government ignores the warnings. But what if this was never just about one explosion? What if it was a test for something much bigger? Tonight, on Prophecy Files, we reveal the real story behind the Tesla Cybertruck explosion, the whistleblower's desperate warning, and the prophecy that foresaw it all, long before it happened. Brandon Biggs, a known prophetic voice, uploaded a video on October 27, 2024, warning of simultaneous attacks. The Lord showed him two events unfolding at the same time, one driven by a military whistleblower, the other a ritual attack hidden in plain sight. Little did he know, the prophecy was already in motion. It started with an email, an urgent message sent through Proton Mail from Matthew Livelsberger, a man with high-level government ties. He wasn't just warning people, he was trying to reach the Trump administration directly. His message? The CIA is actively pushing for war with China. It's not speculation, it's a plan in motion. A plan that, if executed, could change the course of history. At first, many denied that the email came from Livelsberger. The mainstream narrative dismissed it as fake, an elaborate hoax designed to stir up fear. But then, just 1 week later, the FBI quietly confirmed that the email was real. It was sent by Livelsberger. He was trying to warn America. And just like that, the cover-up unraveled. Then, on January 1st, 2025, it happened. A Tesla Cybertruck exploded near Trump Tower. The official story? An accident. The real story? A message. But what if Livelsberger never died? That's when things take an even darker turn. The official story claims Livelsberger died in the Tesla explosion. But there's one problem. His DNA does not match his supposed child. What does this mean? It means we don't even know if Livelsberger was in the vehicle. What we understand is he may have rented the Cybertruck out, possibly to ensure its 24/7 recording system captured everything. Or maybe he faked his death entirely. Tesla vehicles drive themselves. Tesla vehicles record everything. Livelsberger was smart. If he was being followed, if his warnings were ignored, then maybe he made the explosion happen on his terms. Maybe this was his last-ditch effort to get attention. But here's the most disturbing part. The news completely missed it. Instead of investigating the truth, mainstream media buried the story under one shallow headline. Another Tesla Cybertruck explodes. No context, no scrutiny, no mention of the whistleblower. The entire narrative shifted, not towards the bigger conspiracy, not towards the CIA's war plans, not towards the drones that are already here, but towards attacking Elon Musk. Livelsberger's warning was lost in the noise. The media didn't care about who sent the email or why the truck exploded. They only cared about spinning the story against Tesla, against Musk, against the people asking questions. And what happened next? The story disappeared. The Proton Mail warning, the drone infiltration, the silent war being waged inside America's borders. All of it erased from the headlines. Instead, they want you distracted. Because if people start questioning the explosion, they might start questioning the FBI's involvement. They might start questioning why the US government is allowing foreign surveillance technology to infiltrate American infrastructure. They might start asking the right questions, and that is exactly what they don't want. Brandon Biggs saw this before it happened. On October 27, 2024, he warned of simultaneous attacks, one driven by a ritual, the other a desperate act by a military whistleblower trying to get America's attention. The Lord had revealed to him a dark plan unfolding, where chaos would serve as the ultimate distraction. Then, on New Year's Eve, New Orleans was struck. One attack, an occultic ritual hidden beneath the lights of New Orleans the other, an explosion orchestrated by a man trying to warn America. 2 attacks, same moment in time. And now, what's next? What happens when the next attack follows the same pattern? What happens if New Orleans was just a start? The Cybertruck explosion was a warning. The proton mail leak was a final attempt to stop what's coming. But the question remains, is it already too late? The FBI tracked him. The media ignored him. And now, the war is here. But it's being fought in ways we don't see. Drones in the sky, silent surveillance, a brewing global conflict, and a government that needs us distracted. This is not just a conspiracy. This is happening now. This has been Prophecy Files. Until next time, question everything.